Hi Chirag, it's Sandy Thal, and this is the 2011 E350 all-wheel drive sedan. Now I know there are other cars that are cheaper out there, but this is a phenomenal car. It's been serviced here since 2012. So we have a lot of history with this car, and the person who owned it took excellent care of it. It's the luxury styling with the star on the hood, beautiful grille, the dual headlamps, the fog lamps underneath, and this one has a nice wheels. But for 2011, it's a great style. And when you open the door to first the car has to be unlocked. When the car is unlocked, the gas door unlocks. When the car is locked, it's locked as well. So here's the back of it. This is a V6, a 3.5 liter V6 engine. And it's got the split folding seats. It has a thing to hang dry cleaning or whatever you want to hang on it, grocery bags. It has a pass-through, which is always nice. And underneath here is the spare. It's kind of hard to get to it, but it's under there. So this particular car has a spare, and you know, we had it priced at $12,991. It came down to $12,442, I think it was. And look at the back seat. I don't know if anybody sat in that. It's very comfy. And so on the door you have your memory positions, adjustments for the mirror, really comfortable trunk opener right there, lumbar support. Let's take a little quick ride in this. Here we are inside. It's got a beautiful wooden leather steering wheel. I think one of the things that's so wonderful about this car is that it has drowsiness monitor. It has the history of this car for decades has been that it is the least likely car to roll over. And I know there are other cars, but who can say that? In an accident, that's the worst thing, if you roll over. It has beautiful navigation, which is voice activated. It has a voice activation, and it tells you what street you're facing. It's got this wonderful controller button that you can use to see where we are right here on the peninsula. And the radio has AM, FM, and weather band. It will tell you the weather. It will find a channel to give the weather. It's pretty amazing. So then it has Sirius that you can subscribe to Sirius Radio, and where you are, it's probably great because you don't have a lot of radio stations nearby, so that would be something you could subscribe to if you wanted to. And then it has the phone system, the telephone, the Bluetooth, and it has Bluetooth audio streaming. I was noticing that on these are all the different ways you can listen to music. You can put a memory card in, you can put in an adapter in this slot here and use, an MP3 player. It has a 6-disc CD. Now that's something that the new cars do not have. And I know you may have some cultural music that you like to play, and so 6 discs is great. It has the music register, so you can download from your CDs into the music register, and you also have the Bluetooth audio streaming. So that is fantastic. What a day it's been. Look at the clouds. We're very fortunate to have a little warmer temperature this afternoon. Anyway, this car has 5 seats. It has a nice comfortable space here with a place to put a pen. You've got cup holders that this whole thing can come out and be cleaned. It has a screen in the back. We've got the heated seats on right now. It's very comfy, and your system for heating and cooling is delightful, so it's easy. You go up or you go down. And nice sunroof too. So it tells you what the direction of travel is up here in the mirror. You've got garage door openers that can be programmed, lighted mirrors, and truly anything that you would want. And what I love, and I'm going to show you right now, is the turning radius. This car has an incredible turning radius. Don't hit that one. Yeah, it does. It's so wonderful. And then the backup camera. Look at this. So now I'm going to back into that space. What's this? Oh boy. Somebody crossed my path and scared me. Here we go, right into that space. And I know where the curb is. I can see the bumper. See my black bumper right there. And there's the curb. So I know I'm very safe. I'm not going to hit the curb. Thank you so much. I hope this is something that we can work together and provide for your son. Thank you, Chirag.